A mountable subwoofer for desktop gaming. The Dayton Audio GS2.1 is a compact subwoofer designed to be mounted for out-of-sight operation. Connect your 3.5mm audio source here and your satellite speakers here. These knobs will give you control over your overall volume and your subwoofer volume, while all your higher-end frequencies will carry through to your other speakers. The bass itself is created by a 30-watt built-in amplifier and dual 2.5-inch woofers, one active and one as a passive radiator for bass extension down to 50 Hz. Subwoofers are likely what you're missing with your home gaming setup, and the GS2.1 makes it easy to connect a great pair of speakers to your computer or laptop for ultimate full-range action. Those speakers will sound great, but it's the subwoofer underneath that will make all the difference. Pick up one today, only from Parts Express.